What is the real meaning of snail dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of snail dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a snail resting or sleeping comfortably somewhere in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to leave your laziness and comfort zone as soon as possible. Because if you always seek rest like a snail, then you will be delayed in getting desired results in waking life. So to avoid this problem, you should try to set big goals for yourself and work upon achieve them. Now number 2, if you see a walking snail in a dream, then it indicates that you are bored with your lifestyle. And due to this, you are feeling demotivated in real life. So to avoid this problem, you need to try something new to beat the boredom of your life properly. But sometimes this dream also suggests to keep some patience in life if you feel worried all the time in real life. Now number 3, if someone sees a snail entering inside its shell and does not want to come out of the shell, then it indicates that there are some kinds of negative thoughts inside your mind that are creating problems for you, because these thoughts are the root cause of your problems. So to avoid this problem, you need to find out them as soon as possible and convert them into positive one. Now number 4, if you see eating snail or snail meat in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to take care of your health. Otherwise, you will have to face any kind of minor problem on the level of your body. But sometimes this dream suggests sure success in your work project or planning in the coming future. But before that, you will have to keep some patience in real life. Now number 5, if you see stepping on a snail in a dream, then it indicates some kind of worries and troubles inside your mind. And due to this, you are creating unnecessary troubles for yourself and others also. So to avoid this problem, you should find a permanent solution to your life problems as soon as possible. Now number 6, if someone sees many small and big snails together in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning without any hindrance with monetary gain in real life. Now number 7, if someone sees a snail without a shell in a dream, then it indicates some kind of trouble or difficult situation in life, for which you have not made any preparation for that. So to handle these types of situations, you should have some patience in real life with confidence. Now number 8, if someone sees a dead snail in a dream, then it indicates failure and disappointment in any work, project or planning. So to avoid any kind of loss, you should try to avoid starting any new and risky work for some time. Or you should cross-check your plans before executing. Only then you can save yourself from any kind of loss and disappointments. Now number 9, if someone sees holding a snail in his or her hands in a dream, then it indicates huge success in the coming future with monetary gain. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 10, if someone sees killing a snail in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to respect others as well as keep your anger and ego in control. Otherwise, someone can hurt by this attitude. And due to this, you can face lots of unwanted problems in relationships. But sometimes this dream also suggests the ending of life problems which are hindering your progress in real life. Now number 11, if someone sees many snails in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates many small and big successes with monetary gain that will change your life in completely positive ways. Now number 12, if someone sees catching a snail in a dream, then it indicates good luck, success, prosperity with lots of responsibilities. So this is the right time to think big and take responsibility to get the extraordinary results in real life. Now number 13, if someone sees a snail sticking to his or her body in a dream, then it indicates feeling of burden and being stuck in life due to slow progress. So to avoid these feelings, take responsibility for your life and just make goals with deadlines and according to priority in real life. Only then you will be able to get the desired results in real life. Now number 14, if someone sees a black snail in a dream, then it indicates good fortune and happy life. But before that, you will have to control or change negative emotions into positive ones. Now number 15, if someone sees a colorful snail in a dream, then it indicates harmony in life and success in many areas of life very easily in the upcoming days.